Turning now to a growing problem, scammers using FaceTime to pose as banks to steal your money. For more, we're joined by national consumer correspondent Ash-har Quraishi. Ash-har, good morning. It's good to see you. Walk us through, how does this work?
Good morning, Jolene. Well, consumer advocates say they're tracking a rise in cases where scammers are utilizing FaceTime. Apple's own support site lays out how these scams actually work. It often starts with a text message about suspicious activity on your bank account or credit card. Sometimes, victims call the number in the text. Other times, the scammer calls them directly. The scammer says they need additional verification. That's when they switch the call to FaceTime. Once you're on video, victims are talked into sharing their screen while logging into online banking. Now, the scammer watches in real time as victims expose their passwords, account numbers, even one-time security codes. So why FaceTime? Well, Apple says it's because people trust it. Apple says if you get a suspicious FaceTime call, say from what looks like a bank, Apple wants you to send a screenshot of that call directly to them. All you have to do is open FaceTime, tap the info button next to that call, take a screenshot, and email it to report FaceTime fraud at apple.com.
So those are some great tips, Ash-har, but what else can consumers do to protect themselves from this and other similar types of scams?
Well, a few rules that everyone should really heed at this point is that, first, consumer protection experts say never share your screen with someone who called you out of the blue. And Apple itself says it will never ask you for your password, passcode, or two-factor authentication code, period. Second, watch for urgency. If someone pressures you to move money immediately or says your funds need to be protected right now, that's the red flag. Hang up. So third, don't ever call the number they call you from. Contact your bank or Apple directly by calling the number on the back of your credit card or your bank card, or contact Apple directly through their website. Jolene?
Ash-har, those are really important tips. Thank you so much.